Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you how to fill the Great Eastern form for DNS sponsorship for August 2022 batch, and in this video I am also going to tell you its eligibility criteria and last date to fill the form. So let's go to my laptop screen. So we'll type GEIMS in this search box, GEIMS, and we'll open this first website. And then we'll scroll down and cut this pop-up, and then we'll click over here, click here for online applications. So let's see DNS eligibility criteria. Its eligibility criteria for 10+2 PCM students is PCM average should not be less than 60%, and for BSc in physics, chemistry, mathematics is with an average of not less than 55% marks in final year. And for the students who has done his Bachelor of Engineering or BTech from IIT or any other college, so that's eligibility criteria is written over here. And for doing DNS, the age should be between 25 years and it should be less than 25 years on the date of commencement of course. Like if you are applying for August 2022 batch, that course will start from August, so you should be 25 years at that time. We'll cut that and apply for DNS. We'll click on next, and then we'll choose DNS over here and we'll upload our photograph. And then you have to fill this form. So firstly we'll write our first name here, and then our middle name if you are having, and last name over here, and then you will choose your date of birth from here, and then you will select your gender, and then nationality, and then Aadhaar card number you will fill that. You will write your email ID over here and you will click on verify email. After clicking on that, you will receive an email from Great Eastern where an OTP will be there. So that OTP you have to fill over there, and then your email ID will be verified. Just note that every time if you are filling this form, you have to give your new email ID over here. If you are giving your old email ID, so that form will not be move on further. And the fields which are having this red star color, so that's our compulsory field, you can't left that. And the field which are not having this red star, so you can skip that. So you will write your mobile number over there, and you'll choose your blood group, and then your marital status, and then your mother tongue, and then you will write your place of birth over here. And then next comes your physical fitness. You have to write your height in centimeters and then weight in your kgs. Next comes your father's or guardian detail. So you will write their name over here, and you will choose their occupation, and then company, designation, and email ID, and mobile number is compulsory, you have to write there. And you will select their income, that is annual income. And next comes your mother's detail that are not compulsory. If you wanted to write, you can fill that. So next comes your permanent address. So you will write your house number over here, and your village or post office, and your city or district, and your pin code, and you will select your state from here. And then you will write your telephone number or your STD code if you are having, and then you will click on this arrow so that permanent address will be shifted over there. And if your correspondence address is different from permanent address, so you will not click over there, and you will just simply fill your correspondence address. So next comes your passport details. So that's are not compulsory. If you are having passport, so you can fill that details, that's not compulsory. So next comes your academic qualification. So first you will fill the details of class 10. So you will select your result status, that is declared, and you will write year of passing of class 10th, and then English percentage, and then final percentage of class 10. And then next comes your school or college name, and then next comes your board name, and we'll write all the details of 12th class also. If your result is declared, so you will click on this declared, and if you are appearing, so you will select awaited. Our result is declared, so we'll click on this, and then we'll write year of passing, and then English percentage, and then final percentage, and your school name and board name. And then you will write your PCM subjects marks obtained, and from total marks, and your percentage will be written over here automatically. If you are graduate and if you are applying for DNS, so you will select your column from here, and you will write their marks also. If you are choosing your class 12 result awaited, so you will be exempted of filling the details of PCM percentage and your English percentage and your final percentage too. And then next comes your engineering graduates if already registered with Aspiring Minds. So if you're graduate, you can write your details over here. And then next comes your other details. How would you like to pay the fees of this whole course? So you will choose your options from here. You will take bank loan or your relatives or other source. Where did you hear about the Great Eastern Institute of Maritime Studies? So you will select an option from here. And then next comes your reference section. If you know anybody from Great Eastern, and if he is agreeing to give you reference, so you will write their name over here and their designation and then company name. And then next comes your IMU registration number. So that is not compulsory if you are applying for August 2022 batch, as its form is not released yet, and it's not mandatory to fill all this hall ticket number and your rank and your IMU registration number. So you will next do payment. You will select this online payment method, and you have to pay 750 rupees. You will click on submit button, and after that you have to choose your mode of payment, and then you have to pay 750 rupees. After doing successful payment, you will go to your email ID. Your application number will be there, and then you will again receive a message, and that subject will be your payment, and your order at Great Eastern Institute of Maritime Studies is successful. So that is your payment receipt. Next we are going to see what is the last date of applying in Great Eastern. So last date Great Eastern has not revealed that. If you wanted to apply now, you can apply now as its form is open, and if you wish to apply next month, you can also do so. Thank you for watching this video. If you had liked this video, so kindly do share among your friends, and if you have not subscribed yet, kindly do, as we are bringing the useful content for you. So thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.